In the process of factory resetting AirPods Pro, you must remove AirPods from your Apple ID. That means remove AirPods from all devices signed into the iCloud account. Then, Reset AirPods can connect to any new or the same Apple device as a new one. To do this, open the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll to Bluetooth, and tap on the I button next to the AirPods Pro name. Now, tap on the Forget This Device option, and again tap on the Forget Device option. The confirmation pop-up says these AirPods will be removed from all devices signed into your iCloud account. If someone paired your AirPods with their device, they have to follow the same steps. Go to Bluetooth settings and remove them from the list. No one can track or access your AirPods on the Find My network. Now, the next step is to reset AirPods Pro using the button given on it. To reset, put both AirPods into the charging case and keep the lid of the charging case open. Then, press and hold the back button of the charging case until your AirPods Pro flash amber, white, and orange. It will take 15 to 30 seconds. That means your AirPods is ready to pair with your device like a new boxed AirPods. If it's not connecting and won't reset successfully, you should clean up the charging case first. As you can see on the video screen, the metal connector on the stem of both the left and right AirPods might be dirty and not connecting to the AirPods Pro charging case. Use a cotton fiber cloth to clean this connector on both the left and right AirPods one by one. Now, clean up the connector inside the charging case. Use a cotton earbud stick and roll it inside both the left and right AirPod slots. Try to clean this deep metal connector carefully with a soft hand. Now, put both the left and right AirPods into the charging case and give an extra push on both if they are not resetting correctly. Otherwise, hold them like this and press the back button of the charging case until you see amber, white, and orange. It will take 15 to 30 seconds. I hope you found this solution helpful and that you successfully performed a factory reset. Still not able to reset successfully? Then you should contact Apple support at nearby store to diagnose the hardware problem. Sometimes, battery drain on one of the AirPods won't reset and cannot connect to a device. As per Apple's terms and conditions, you can buy one damaged AirPods or get a free repair or replacement for under warranty AirPods Pro. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please post your questions in the comment box. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.